This is Sarah Eichten, principal at Somerset Middle School. I'd like to take a little bit of your time today to give you some information regarding how to log into Infinite Campus to read your child's in-progress reports. As we're shifting this year to Grading for Learning, the inside part of Infinite Campus looks a little bit different than what we've had in the past, and I'd like to let you know how you can read it a little more easily. If you were first to log in, come to our district webpage, go to Parents, and scroll down to Infinite Campus. Then you're going to enter both your username and password and click the Sign In button. At this point, you can see you will be able to select your student, and once there, you can click on the word Schedule right over here. At the top on this screen, you can see our middle school rubric for what each of the numbers means, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Please remember that the 3 is the goal for all of our students. From here, you can then click on the class name for current assignments and scores. Now at this point, I'm going to pop over to a handout that will later be posted on our middle school webpage. This is the handout that I hope will help you further understand how to read the inside of Infinite Campus. Across the top on here, this is what you see when you log in. You can see the standards. So in this one for trimester 1, that's the T1, closely and analytically comprehends a range of complex literary text. You can see that we still have a formative category right here, that those are all the pieces that show evidence of learning. They're either going to be marked turned in with a check mark, or you will see a score that your child received for that formative learning. You can also see that we have our summative category here. You can see what the summative assessment was and that it addresses the standard. The score that the child received is right over here, okay, in the score for that assessment. And you can see on this one that there was a 1 on the first attempt that's listed in the comment section. And then upon subsequent learning, the child received a 1.5. You can see that the teacher marked for you that attempt the first time. The child took a retake and received that score of 1.5 after there was some further learning that took place. Please remember that our goal for standards-based learning is to grade for learning over time so that you as a parent are getting a more accurate picture of your child's strengths and areas for growth. So if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see we have another standard here, closely and analytically comprehends a range of complex informational texts. So the difference, the last one was literary, this one is informational. You can again see here that we have our formative pieces as well as our summative pieces, and then that comment again appears because that one assessment met multiple standards. Some of you may be seeing some areas like this, where you can see that we have 2 standards here listed that do not have any assessments attached to it whatsoever. These are the standards that have not yet been assessed for this year. So it's not probably happening in trimester 1, rather it probably will be addressed in trimester 2 or trimester 3. So you're going to see blanks in, as far as for this one, in speaking and listening skills and research and inquiry until later this school year. That, in a nutshell, is how you can best read your child's progress report in Infinite Campus. I've appreciated the questions that I've received from you. If you do have any further questions after you've looked at this, do not hesitate to contact me at the middle school. Thank you very much.